Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this module, we will learn about the header tags optimization. Header tags optimization. So what are header tags? So the header tags are headings and subheadings of the content. Okay. Header tags are headings and subheadings of the content. Okay. So we'll see. So this is my blog and this is my one of my web page in my website. Okay, and this is my headings. Okay, learn the basic of SEO is a heading, and this is my subheading. So for the users, it's a heading. Okay, it's a heading, it's a subheading. But for the Google bot, Google search engine, it's not a heading, it's a header tag. Okay, so this header tag have 6 levels: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, where H1 is the heading of the content and H2, H3, H4 and H5 and H6 are subheadings of the content. Okay, and also H1 is the highest level and the most important tag in the content, and H6 is the least tag in the content. So just inspect the source code of my website. Okay, press Ctrl U, search for Ctrl F, H1. So this is H1 tag. Okay, for us it is the heading of the content, but for Google it is a H1 tag. Okay, and similarly H2, so this is my H2. Okay, this is my H2, and similarly I have another H2. Okay, so we will see how this header tags helps in SEO. Okay, so when you include a heading tag in the content, it helps the Google search engine or Google bot to read and understand the structure of the content. Okay, and also it is able to understand the context in the content. Able to understand the structure of the content. Okay, but if you skip the heading tags, the content structure will be broken, which is not an ideal format to read by Google bot, Google search engine. Also, it fails to understand the context. So adding heading and subheadings with an appropriate header tags will make easier to read for both humans and both the users and the Google bots, Google search engine. So the words used in the header tag is very much valuable for Google to better understand the context of the content, and this Google bot gives high priority to these words. So if you use a keyword in that header tags, it will boost your website ranking. So what happens is, when the user's search query matches with the words used in the header tags, you have a high chances to rank higher in the search results. Okay, so use keywords in header tags to rank higher. So we will see how to optimize these header tags. The basic practices to optimize these header tags. Use the header tags in hierarchy, which means you have to follow the hierarchy as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Don't skip the header tags. Don't give us H1 followed by H3. Okay, don't give us H1 followed by H3. Always give H1 followed by H2 and H3 and H4, H5, H6. Okay, because the hierarchy will be broken and so the heading structure. Give only one H1 tags in the content. Don't use multiple H1 tags. Okay, because H1 tag is very important tag in the content. Okay, like meta title, meta description and the URL optimization. This H1 tag optimization, especially the H1 tag optimization is very much important, because Google will give high priority to this H1 tag. Okay, but you can use multiple H2 tags, H3 tags and so on. Okay, as I said, use keywords in the header tags. Okay, it would help in website ranking. And also don't stuff the keywords in your heading tags. Okay, header tag optimization is very much important in on-page SEO. Okay, because this is the place where user first interact with the content. Okay, Google will give a high priority to this H1 tag other than meta title, meta description, because meta title and meta description will display only on the result page. Okay, but this header tag is visible only on the website page. The user is directly involved in the website page. Okay, so these are the basic optimization techniques in header tags. Okay, but there are also advanced optimization techniques are also available, so you learn those techniques in our upcoming videos. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and give a comment to my channel and hit like and share my channel to your friends. Thank you.